Hey Intermediate, this is not my lucky day. I went to fix something in another video and I deleted this one, and instead of doing this all over again, I'll just say it to you. The dramas of making movies. It is a fun section, so I don't want to discourage you. It's when you have to make things a couple times, it gets a little frustrating. Alright, so here's the idea. This is a really fun section. This will just take me a few minutes to fix. When you have the same base and you're multiplying exponents, when you have the same base, what you have to do to multiply is you add the exponents. So like over here, if I do x to the third times x to the fifth, I add the exponents to get x to the eighth. If you have one base and you have an exponent raised to an exponent, you multiply. So for instance, if I have x to the third raised to the fifth, you multiply 3 times 5 and you get x to the 15. Now, if you have a fraction, the rule is you do the top minus the bottom, right? So if you do 8 minus 3, which is 5. This is a rule that I tend to not do by the books 100%, because if the higher number's in the bottom versus the top, then I start at the bottom and I do 12 minus 2 is 10. Because the leftover will be where you have more of that variable. All right, anything to the 0 is 1, so x to the 0 is 1, and also numbers, so 13 to the 0 is 1. And then the last thing I pointed out to you guys is if you have something raised to a negative, that means reciprocate. So x to the negative 1 is 1 over x squared, because that means flip it. Okay gang, that's it, and then in the next video you'll see I just worked out some examples that were similar to your homework. Okay, catch you. Bye.